Hello everybody and welcome back to Mrs. Baker's Chemistry Corner. This is the Module 5 Paper 4 walkthroughs for question 4. So hydrochloric acid produces salts called chlorides. Magnesium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid to produce magnesium chloride, and there's the balanced equation. A student used 50 centimeters cubed of 2 moles per decimeters cubed hydrochloric acid in an experiment to produce magnesium chloride. Calculate the mass in grams of magnesium carbonate needed to react exactly with 50 centimeters cubed of the 2 mole hydrochloric acid. So we're going to need to do our table method. We know that we have 50 centimeters cubed, so we are in this aqueous triangle here because we've got 50 centimeters cubed of hydrochloric acid, and all acids are aqueous solutions. We also see that it says calculate the mass here. So because it says mass in grams, we must be in the red magic triangle up here. So let's jump in and do our table. We need mass, we need mole, we need MR, we also need conc and volume. So let's put in our table very quickly. And we know we need the magnesium carbonate because that's what we're calculating, MgCO3. And we know that we need the hydrochloric acid, which is 2HCl. Let's not forget our molar ratio. So our molar ratio is a 1 to 2 ratio. Let's put in what the question has told us. The question has told us that we've got 50 centimeters cubed of hydrochloric acid. So we need to put that into decimeters cubed. So we need 50 over 1000, which is 0.050. And we know that we've got a 2 moles per decimeters cubed, so we just put a 2 in there. We need to calculate the mass in grams over here. So let's see, we've got 2 in this column already, the hydrochloric acid column. Because we've got 2, we've got the concentration and the volume, so we can times the 2 together. Let's just double check our maths, because in the exam it's super important to double check your maths. 50 divided by 1000 gives us 0.05. And then we can times that by the concentration, which will give us our number of moles. So our number of moles is 0.1 over here. Well, if we've got a 2 to 1 ratio, we know we've got half the amount of magnesium carbonate, so we need to divide that by 2, and that will give us 0.05 moles of that. Well, now we're in the mass moles MR triangle, so we can calculate the MR from the periodic table. We can say that the MR is 24 plus 12 plus 16 times 3. Remember, we're showing our workings as well so that the examiner can give us an error carried forward if we need it to. So we're doing 16 times 3. Of course, that's 48 plus 12 plus 24. That gives us an 84. Because we've got the MR, we can now times that by a number of moles, keep it on the calculator, times by 0.05. That gives us 4.2. So we know that our mass is 4.2 grams. So now we can put everything that we need straight into the question because it's all in our table. So calculate the number of moles of hydrochloric acid present. Well, that is 0.1 moles. Calculate the number of moles of magnesium carbonate, 0.05 moles. Calculate the relative formula mass of magnesium carbonate, 84. Calculate the mass of magnesium carbonate needed to completely react, 4.2 grams. And that's that. That's all you need to do.